is a pleasure to be here today. As for the launching of the yet another milestone by Captain Cook Cruises Fiji, the inaugural first ever trip of the MV Reef Endeavor to the Lau Group and Kadabu. At the outset, I would like to congratulate Captain Cook Cruises Fiji and all partnering stakeholders for the achievement which the government is very proud of. Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to enlighten you on the background of Captain Cook Cruises Fiji. The origin of the company goes way back in 1978. Following the termination of the Captain Cook charter in Australia, the company then expanded it 1996 and 2004 with the inclusion of more vessels into its fleet here. It offers small ship discovery cruises, day tours and cruising restaurants in the past to the Asawa and the volcanic islands in the Northern Islands, discovering and experiencing the natural beauty, environmental diversity, culture and history of the Fiji Islands. The company operates a fleet of 4 vessels and offers a choice of cruise weekly throughout Fiji, with the vessel hosting some of the world's most prestigious events and dignitaries. Captain Cook Cruises cater for all ages and markets, whether it is families looking for the ideal Fiji family holiday or couples looking for the perfect Fiji wedding, Fiji honeymoon, or just a Fiji vacation. The unique itineraries take you to places where mainstream tourists rarely venture and where you can meet the locals. Their day tour and dining experience offer tailored packages for all ages and budgets. Having said that, today's trip will take this small ship discovery cruise to another level, with 11 nights Lau and Kadabu cruise visiting northern region and the Lau Group, namely some of the islands: Walangalala Island, Vanuatu, nice beaches, Fulanga Island, very remote islands in the Lau Group, Kambara of course, the untouched white beaches of Totoya Island. The trip will not only show off everything Lau has to offer, but will also allow passengers to experience a remote and unspoiled part of Fiji and experience the Fijian village life. Ladies and gentlemen, I must also say at this juncture that this new development will boost our thriving tourist industry by attracting more tourists into our shores. Tourism industry has contributed significantly to the country's economy and is Fiji's fastest growing industry in terms of employment creation and foreign exchange earning. According to the World Travel and Tourism Council, tourism total contribution to Fiji gross domestic product is estimated at 35.8% for 2012 and approximately 2.51 billion in foreign exchange earnings. Despite Fiji's negative political image and poor relation with its major source markets, tourism arrivals remain strong and breached the 600,000 mark in 2010. It is predicted to earn a record of 1.2 billion by 2016. The Bainimarama government will support and facilitate and all effort to be made to all activities created by the tourism Fiji stakeholders to make Fiji the tourism paradise of the South Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, new employment opportunities and village business will also be created by this new development. The direct employment in the tourism sector is estimated at 39,500 or 11.7% of the total employment in 2012. With respect to new development opportunities, tour guides and entertainers in the islands are some form of employment that will be created by this new development. On the other hand, it also provides an opportunity for small businesses such as the sale of art and craft product I hope you will buy, such as wood carving, baskets and necklaces by the villagers. It's also an opportune time for villagers to showcase their talents. To conclude, I challenge all stakeholders that are here today to come up with more innovative ideas and venture into untapped markets in order to develop our thriving tourist industry. On that note, it is my pleasure to officially launch the inaugural first 11-day trip of the MV Reef Endeavor to the Lao Group and Kandau. Bon voyage, God be a shining light on your trip, and have a safe journey. Thank you, Binagwalebu, Banir Bat, Talibat, Sukriya, and may God bless Fiji and you all. Thank you.